Hello, I'm Stephen Watson. We're here at Someday Farm, and this is today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to imagine the pelvis. I imagine the pelvis like a bowl, so hollow and supportive. Of course, it's more like a colander, but the visual here is to imagine a bowl. What I imagine in that bowl is something warm and healing or nutritious. So a big bowl of soup, bowl of noodles, bowl of tea, uh, whatever. Um, and I imagine that bowl is rather full, but it's warm, it's soothing, and that the bowl, the weight helps me stay low and centered, lower center of gravity. And for me, the warmth is sort of soothing, allows my muscles to relax and so forth. And it's something I like, right? So it's a warm cup of tea or something. And further, I imagine the steam um, bringing the volatiles up from that warmth. So the aromas, the healing compounds, and so forth, suffusing my upper body, which I really find. But the main reason that I do this is that I fill that bowl to the brim, and then as I'm practicing, this visualization that I've adopted helps me notice if I kick a hip up or not, because I'll sense that I'm spilling the fluid. I'm spilling the tea or the herbs or the whatever it might be. This will work for an anterior or posterior pelvic tilt as well. So we can notice spilling this way in our practice, or lifting one hip, lifting the other hip. And so paying attention to where I might do that in my practice, where I'm shifting weight or lifting up a leg or stepping, can be really helpful. So I like the visual just on its own merits, and it really helps me to be soothed and low in my center. But particularly, I find it helpful for students to recognize when they're canting their pelvis. So thank you all very much, and enjoy yourself a good cup of tea with your Tai Chi. Ah, it's so good.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.